Everyone in the small town of Greenfield knew Adam. He worked in a tiny grocery store near the bus stop. People thought his life was simple, quiet, and ordinary. Adam lived alone in a small rented room at the edge of town. The room had a single bed, a table, and one chair. The walls were pale and cracked, giving a lonely feeling. Every night after work, Adam locked his door silently. He sat on the bed quietly for a few minutes. Then he reached under the bed and pulled out a wooden box carefully. Inside the box were old photographs of people he loved long ago. There were notebooks filled with his personal thoughts. A small broken watch and a black mask were also there. Years ago, Adam had a very different life. He was part of a secret group that helped people in danger. They rescued children, protected weak families, and stopped criminals quietly. His best friend, Leo, worked with him in the group. Leo was brave, cheerful, and always smiling. They trusted each other completely in every situation. Adam and Leo faced many dangerous missions together. They often risked their lives to save others. Adam had never felt so alive before. He was proud to be part of something important. Sometimes, the missions were scary and unpredictable. They never knew what would happen next. But Adam and Leo always stayed calm. They believed in each other completely. One night, during a rescue mission, everything went wrong. Leo tried to save a small child from a collapsing building. A heavy beam fell on him suddenly and badly. Adam ran to help him, but it was too late. Leo held his hand and smiled weakly one last time. He died that night in Adam's arms quietly. Adam blamed himself for months and years. He could not eat or sleep properly. The pain was unbearable and lonely. He felt his world had ended. After Leo's death, Adam left the secret group immediately. He changed his name and moved to Greenfield. He wanted a quiet and safe life away from danger. Greenfield was peaceful at first. Adam spent his days working in the small grocery store. He sold fruits, vegetables, and daily essentials. People smiled at him but never asked personal questions. But slowly, strange things started happening at night. People found help mysteriously. Food appeared on poor doorsteps. Lost children returned safely home. Some people started talking about a shadow man. No one could see his face clearly. He came silently and helped people before disappearing. The townspeople were curious and afraid. Every night, Adam wore the black mask. He walked through dark streets quietly and carefully. He helped the poor, scared, and weak. He never asked for recognition or reward. Helping others made Adam feel alive again. His secret life gave him peace inside. It reminded him of Leo and their past. He felt proud to continue the mission. Adam began to plan his nights carefully. He studied the streets and watched for danger. He knew where trouble could happen. His experience helped him save more people safely. Sometimes, Adam would remember small details from past missions. A scared child, a crying mother, a thankful smile. These memories gave him strength to continue. One day, a new neighbor moved next door. Her name was Sarah, and she was very friendly. She smiled often and spoke kindly to Adam. Slowly, Adam and Sarah became friends. They shared tea in the evenings. They spoke about small life stories quietly. Adam felt comfort and trust growing with her. Sarah noticed Adam's quiet kindness. She saw how he helped people secretly. She admired his courage and calmness. Slowly, she became curious about his past. One night, Adam heard shouting from the old park. A young girl was in danger. Two men were chasing her in the darkness silently. Adam did not hesitate for a second. He put on his mask and ran quickly. He reached the girl just in time and scared the men away. The girl ran safely into the dark streets. Adam stood in the shadows, breathing heavily. Someone had seen him clearly. That person was Sarah. Sarah had followed the noise to the park. She saw Adam wearing the black mask silently. Their eyes met in the dim light. Adam felt a wave of fear instantly. The next morning, Sarah knocked on Adam's door quietly. Adam knew he could not hide any more. He invited her inside carefully. He decided to tell her everything. He spoke about Leo, the secret group, and his hidden life. Sarah listened quietly without interrupting. She did not look scared or shocked. She said softly that he was brave and kind. Adam felt a huge relief for the first time. Someone understood his pain completely. He did not have to hide his secret anymore. It gave him comfort and strength. Adam shared more stories with Sarah. He talked about missions that were dangerous. He told her about times when he almost failed. Sarah listened with empathy and patience. Sarah asked questions about Adam's feelings during those missions. Adam spoke about fear, pain, and hope. He explained how courage was not the absence of fear. Sarah understood him completely. Soon after that, danger returned to Greenfield. A criminal group entered the town secretly. Adam recognized them from his past life. Fear returned to his heart quickly. Adam knew he could not run again. He remembered Leo and the promise they made together. He also thought about Sarah and the people of the town. That night, he made a firm choice. He picked up the black mask one last time. He stepped into the dark streets bravely. The final fight was dangerous and long. But Adam did not stop for fear. He used all his skills and courage carefully. He saved the innocent people and caught the criminals. The police arrived shortly after. Adam was hurt but alive. The town finally learned the truth about the Shadow Man. They saw Adam as a hero, not just a quiet shop worker. His courage inspired everyone in Greenfield. Adam never wore the mask again. He returned to his grocery store quietly. People respected him silently. His secret life was over but meaningful. He still kept the wooden box under his bed. It reminded him of pain, courage, and choices. His secret life had taught him many important lessons. Adam learned that helping others is true strength. He also learned that facing fear makes life meaningful. Adam was no longer just a man in Greenfield. Inside, he felt free, strong, and proud. His past, present, and choices shaped him completely. Greenfield knew a quiet man. But Adam knew he was a hero. His life finally had peace and purpose. He lived simply but felt fulfilled inside. Adam continued his routine in Greenfield quietly. He helped neighbors sometimes without being noticed. Children respected him silently. Adults admired his silent kindness. He visited the poor and the sick quietly. He gave them small gifts and support. No one knew it was Adam helping them. They just felt safe in the town. Adam even helped lost animals at night. He guided them back to their homes carefully. Stray cats and dogs followed him sometimes. These small acts made him smile quietly. One day, Sarah asked him about his past again. Adam explained slowly and carefully. He spoke about his missions, danger, and Leo. Sarah listened with empathy and understanding. Adam realized he could trust her completely. She never judged him or doubted his words. For the first time, he felt comfortable sharing everything. His past no longer haunted him. Months passed, and Greenfield became peaceful again. People continued talking about the Shadow Man. They admired his bravery secretly. Adam smiled quietly, knowing the truth. One evening, Adam looked at his wooden box. He thought about Leo and their adventures. He also thought about the lives they saved. He felt proud and satisfied inside. Adam never forgot the lessons from his past. Courage, responsibility, and kindness guided him now. His life was simple but meaningful. Every day, he woke up with purpose. Sarah remained his close friend and companion. She helped him emotionally and supported his choices. Adam felt happiness slowly returning. He could finally live without fear. Adam occasionally visited other towns quietly. He helped people who were in danger or needed support. No one knew who was behind the acts. Adam's secret life continued silently, but safely. Years passed, and Adam became respected in Greenfield. People admired his honesty and simplicity. No one guessed about his past. But Adam knew he had saved many lives secretly. Even when old age came, Adam remained active quietly. He walked through the town, helping wherever he could. Children loved to see him. Adults respected his silent bravery. At night, he sometimes opened the wooden box. He remembered the good and the pain. He thought about Leo and the lessons of courage. His secret life gave him peace forever. Adam realized he had lived a life full of meaning. Helping others had healed his heart completely. He understood true strength comes from kindness. His secret life was his greatest gift. The town of Greenfield never truly knew him. They saw a quiet, ordinary man running a small shop. But Adam knew he had been a hero. His heart carried all the stories of courage. Adam's life ended quietly many years later. He passed away in his sleep at home. The town remembered him as a simple, kind man. But the truth of his bravery remained a secret for most. Only Sarah knew the full story of Adam. She remembered him with love and respect. She told the children quietly about a man who helped others. Adam's secret life continued to inspire hearts silently. Even after death, Adam's deeds remained in Greenfield. People felt safe and protected without knowing why. His legacy of courage, kindness, and responsibility lived on. Adam had lived, hidden, and heroic. His secret life had given him purpose. The world may not have known, but his heart knew he had done great things.